Question 16. In a bag, there are only red, blue, green, and yellow counters. A counter is taken at random from the bag. The table shows the probability of getting a red or a yellow. Yes, it does. The number of blue counters to the number of red counters, to the number of green counters, that ratio is 3 to 4. Complete the table. Well, we know that the probabilities that we know so far add up to 0.65. So we know that probabilities of blue and green, they must add up to 0.35. And we know that they are split in the ratio 3 to 4. 3 to 4, that adds up to 7. So if we were splitting 35 in the ratio 3 to 4, we would be times it by 5, wouldn't we? 15 to 20. Actually, we're splitting up 0.35. So that's going to be 0.15 and 0.2. Okay, so the probability of getting a blue, 0.15. The probability of getting green is 0.2. All right, that's number 16 done. Number 17. Complete the table of values for y equals 4x minus 6. Let's do these positive ones first. Y is 4 times x, and then take away 6. 4 times 3 is 12, take away 6 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8, take away 6 is 2. 4 times 0 is 0, take away 6 is minus 6. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, take away 6 is minus 10. You might also have noticed that you go down by 4 each time, and you could have used that to fill them in too. All right, let's have a look. On the grid, draw the graph. Right, so you've got the points in the table above, so you can plot those. Make sure you get your scale right. Make sure you plot the points correctly. So minus 1, minus 10 is down here. Look at the scale in the x-axis and the scale on the y. 0 along, 6 down. 1 along, so look at the scale there, careful with the scale. 1 along, 2 down. 2 along, 2 up. Very careful with the scale. 3 along, 6 up. And 4 along, 10 up. On the grid, draw the graph. So you're going to get your ruler and your pencil, and you're going to join these up like that. Does it say draw and label? It doesn't, does it? So that's all we need to do. Okay, number 18. Reflect the shape P in the line y equals minus 3. We better draw the line y equals minus 3. Well, that crosses y equals 3. Well, that crosses the y-axis at 3. So that is the line y equals 3. We have to reflect the shape P in this line. So I'm going to count 1 to the line and 1 here. 1 to the line and 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is my shape, which is the reflection of P in the line y equals 3. Okay, let's carry on. Number 19. We've got an equation to solve. 4 lots of x minus 6 equals 44. I'm going to multiply out the bracket. 4x minus 24 equals 44, plus 24 to both sides gives me 4x equals 68. Divide both sides by 4, and I will get 68 divided by 4 is 17. So x is 17. Let's do number 20 while we're here, shall we? Okay, now the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the numbers from 1 to 13. A has got multiples of 3 in it, and B has got even numbers in it. All right, complete the Venn diagram, so I've got to fit everything in. Okay, well, let's just write down what would be in A. A would have 3, 6, 9, and 12. B is going to have all the even numbers, so it's going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Right, so let's start by putting 1 in. 1 isn't in A or B. Okay. 2 is in B, look. I better label A and B. I hadn't realised they weren't labelled. Okay, 2 is in B. 3 is in A. 4 is in B. 5 is not in A or B. 6 is in A and B. 7 is in neither A nor B. 8 is in B. 9 is in A. 10 is in B. 11 is in neither A nor B. 12 is in both A and B, it's in the intersection. And 13 is in neither A nor B. There's the Venn diagram complete. Okay, right, last question, then we'll stop. Franco buys a house for £146,500. He sells the house for that much. Calculate his percentage profit. Well, that's going to be the profit divided by the original times by 100. His profit is the difference between what he sold it for and what he bought it for. So the profit is 158,220 minus 146,500 is 11,720. So to find the percentage profit, you do the profit over the original, what he paid, times by 100. So I'm doing 11,720 divided by 146,500 equals times by 100. And that means that he made 8% profit. Okay.